Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to create super fast subtitles for your shorts, for your video, whatever you want. Okay, so the first step that we're gonna do, of course, we're gonna import a video where we want to create the subtitle from. I have import a little video for you guys. What's up everybody? And of course, what's up everybody? In this short video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove. Alright, so let's create these subtitles. We want to go to the cut page. In the cut page, you're gonna click on timeline actions, and then you're gonna create subtitles from audio. Click on it. The language is English. I leave everything to the default setting right up here, and then I will let DaVinci Resolve do their magic. Boom. Chakalaka. I just created really fast subtitles for my video. What's up everybody? In this short video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove this object in DaVinci Resolve. Pretty cool, pretty good. Right up here, you see it made a little mistake. Instead of DaVinci Resolve, it's DaVinci Resolve. If you want to change it, you can do it really simple. Click on it, you go to caption, and right up here, you're gonna write the right word that there needs to be. So DaVinci Resolve. And also you can decide the timing of the title. You can make it shorter or you can make it longer. So if you want to add a new subtitle, you click on add new one. Or if you want to go to your previous subtitle, click on previous or on the next one. Pretty simple. You can go by it through clicking at all the subtitles and change them right up here. But if you want to change the font for every single subtitle, there is a really cool new feature. Click on one title, it doesn't matter which one. Then you go to track, and right up here, you're gonna go and change it to whatever you like. Let's say this one. And now all your subtitles are changed to that font. Pretty cool stuff. It's also the same for the size. If you change it here, you see this subtitle has the same size. This one has the same size as well. Everything that you're gonna change in the track setting will affect every single subtitle, and that's something that I really like. Hope you liked it as well. If you did, give me a thumb up, subscribe, and I'm gonna check you out in my next video. Bye bye.